Apple is ungodly well managed, billionaire investor says. Well, Will wants to flip it. He goes a little bit of column A, he goes a little bit of column B. Apple has been lauded as ungodly well managed by billionaire investor Charlie Munger. In an exclusive interview, Berkshire Hathaway vice chairman told Yahoo Finance editor-in-chief, I mean, if you have a building like that, you're very organized. Look at the building. Look at the landscaping. Man, you try to put something like that together, you just, the sheer magnitude. I think Apple is one of the strong companies and will stay a strong company. I think it's ungodly well managed. Apple is now Berkshire Hathaway's largest stock holding, and the stake is a significant proportion of the value of the conglomerate holding company itself. In recent years, Berkshire Hathaway has sought to bolster its stake of Apple and other big tech companies such as Amazon. Munger emphasized that he is most impressed with Apple. I judge the strength of the company based on how much the customers love it. And I've got zillions of friends. Ooh.
He's got zillions of friends. Billionaire with zillions of friends. Did not
expect the Z to be in there. Who they'd almost part with their right arm before they'd part with their iPhone. That's a hugely powerful position to be in. I mean, he is right about that.
Yeah, he's not wrong.
He is right about that. Him and his zillions of friends are right about that.
Yeah.
It's funny to imagine.
But there's only what is the meme? There's only 7 million people, or what is the meme? No? All right. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Apple. Yes, we know you're well run. We know Tim knows what's going on.